often asked, how did you start studying food? What was your interest? As it turns out, was researching for a professor, and she was studying Jewish, Irish, and Italian foodways. And I said, well, I wonder if African American people have this thing called foodways. I had never heard of it. Well, you asked the question of people, and there are two prongs to that, because historically so much of this information is going to be lost because the people who could tell you have gone on, they're deceased. But taking the folks that you have now, and particularly in African American culture, which is so very much an oral culture, it's extremely important that we gather these oral histories. You talk to as many people in as many generations as possible. I'm very, very interested in how power operates in and through the muted nature of objects. And you can read sort of power dynamics that take place in them. Just speak for a moment, just contemporarily, I mean, Oprah, the old magazine, becomes the prescription for what to say, to do, to wear. In the 60s, foods that many of the white bourgeois, and particularly in New York, are defining as delicacies are and have been historically the foods that African American people have always eaten. The era of the 60s where Say It Loud, I'm Black and I'm Proud, people are really claiming a broader cultural identity as a way of identifying themselves as part of the larger American citizenry, right?